Good morning, student. In in class 4 maths, we are doing a new chapter, that is subtraction, chapter 5, and here we are going to solve the new exercise, that is 5b. In 5b also there is the subtraction sums are there, and but these are the large numbers. Okay, they are not the 2-digit number or 3-digit number, these are 6 digits number. Okay, so in first question should be done in a book, it can be easily done, no issue, but in question number 2, 3, 4 it should be done in your notebook. Okay, now let's start doing question number 1. It's simultaneously the earlier one, like it's nothing of very much difficult. So out of these questions, out of 9 questions, ma'am is going to do 4 questions and you people are going to do 5 questions. Ma'am is going to do A, C, E, G and I. Okay, so 5 questions ma'am is going to do. So let's do one by one. 8 minus 5. So the first rule of subtraction is to start from the ones place from the extreme last, and it's go simultaneously in the forward places. Okay, so 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 minus 7 is not possible, so it will take a carry from here. It will become 0 and it will become 12. Right? So 12 minus 7 is 5. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 8 is not possible, so it will take a carry from here. It will become 2 and it will become 15. 15 minus 8 is 7 left. 15 minus 8 is 7. 2 minus 6 is not possible, so it will take a carry from here, so it will become 12 and it will become 2. So 12 minus 6 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is 1,67,053. Okay, let's do question number C. Five minus 6 is not possible, so 15 it will take carry and it will become 6 here. 15 minus 6 is possible, so it will be 9 here, and 6 minus 8 is not possible, so it will take a carry, it will become 16 and it will become 4. 16 minus 8 is possible and it will be 16 minus 8 is 8. This is 4. 4 minus 6 is not possible, so it will become 14 here and this will become 4. So 14 minus 6 is 8. This is 4. 4 minus 8 is not possible. Again it will become 14 here and it will become 0 here. So 14 minus 8 is 6. This is 0. This is 2. Not possible. So it will become 10. It will become 4. 10 minus 2 is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, so in this way you will solve these sums. Just these are the large numbers. Let's do question number E. We have already done like that. I have already explained you how to do these type of sums, taking carry and then keep on subtracting. This is again 6. 6 minus 8 is not possible because 6 is a lower number or 6 is a less than 8. So it will ask for the carry. It will become 16 here and this will become 4 here. 16 minus 8 is possible, so it will be 8 here. 16 minus 8, you do it in your fingers, otherwise you count. 16 minus 8, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 minus 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is चला गया तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8. ठीक है? So total is 16 minus 8 is 8. Now 4 minus 8 is possible? No. So it will again take a carry here and it will become 14 and it will become 2 here. 14 minus 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 is here, and how much you have to do? Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then how much it will be left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write 6 here. 2 minus 6 is possible? No. So carry 12, 9, 7. 12 minus 6 is 6. So इसके पास तो 0 है ना, ये तो नहीं दे सकता, तो it will take a carry and it will become 9 and carry forward कर दिया. इसने इसको कितना दिया? 12 दिया. Now 9 minus 6 is possible, so ये 3 हो गया. 7 minus 9 is not possible, so it will become 17 here and it will become decrease to 5. 17 minus 9 is 15, 16, 17. Minus 9 is 8. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay? Whenever you are doing subtraction, focus your sums, your mind at one place. Don't divert it here, so that you should not be losing your concentration and should not be missing कि हाँ इससे इसने इतना किया तो ये carry हुआ तो how much it will be left. So these sums should be done at a one time. You should not lose your concentration. Okay? कंप्लीट करना है तो पूरा एक साथ कंप्लीट करो और एक फोकस रखो कि कितना माइनस हो रहा है तो वो कितना में डिक्रीज हो रहा है. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन 0 minus 6 is not possible, so it will take a carry. It will become 6 here and it will become 10 here. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now 6 minus 8 is not possible, so it will ask from here. इसके पास है? नहीं. ये फिर इससे पूछो इसके पास है? नहीं. फिर ये इससे पूछो इसके पास है, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? ये 1 हो जाएगा और ये 9 और this will become 16. So 16 minus 8 is 8. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 minus 3 is not possible, so it will become 11 here and this will become 5 here. So 11 minus 3 is 8 and 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, it's 1,81,684. Understand, children? This question number 1, 5B question number 1, it's easy. You can easily do it. Okay. Now, let's solve in your notebook and answer the following question. So there is some questions are there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. E, F, G is only there. So let's do question number B here. Question number D, question number F, even question number E also. So B, D, E, F, ma'am is going to solve. A, C, G, you are going to solve. Okay. So A, C, G, you people are going to solve. So question number 5B is there. Question 2B. Subtract, easy, it's nothing to, you don't have to do anything. Subtract, you just have to subtract 27,894 from 5,08,884. Okay, so 5,08,884 minus 27,894. 4 minus 4 is 0. 8 minus 9 is not possible, so it will ask for the carry. It will become 18. This will become 7. 18 minus 9 is 9. 7 not possible, so it will take a asking for carry or forward. It will be 7. 17 minus 8 is possible, so it will be 9. 7 minus 7 is 0. 0 minus 2 is not possible, so it will ask for carry. So it will 0 and it will 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 4. So this is the answer. Okay. 4 minus 4 is 0. 18 minus 9 is 9. 17 minus 8 is 9. 8 minus 7 not, 7 minus 7 is 0. 10 minus 2 is 8. 4, 4. Okay, question number B is solved. Let's do question number D. Try to understand what is given in the question. Which is greater and by how much? Out of these, this is 1,28,215 and this is 2 lakh. Which one is greater? 1,28,000 is greater or 2 lakh is greater? 2 lakh is greater. So write the answer first. 2 is greater than 1,28,250. Okay, by how much? Now they are asking how much. 1,28,215. So write 2 lakh minus 1,28,215. So we are doing the minus. Now 0 minus 5 is not possible. 0 minus 5 is not possible. 0 minus 1 is not possible. 0 minus 2 is not possible. So they will ask, keep on asking carry. Okay, they will asking for the one number carrying. Okay, so when they are asking from carrying onward, borrow, they are asking for the borrow, so it will ask here 10, 9, 9, 9, 9, 1. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 2 is 7, 0. So it will borrow from here, it will borrow from here, it will become 10, and again borrow from here, it will be 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, so this is the answer for D. Now let's do question number E. By how much 84,846? Read the question first. By how much 84,846 less than 1,42,404? So ये कितना इससे छोटा है, तो क्या करना होगा, माइनस करना होगा, राइट? तो लेट्स डू द माइनस वन. 1,42,404 minus 84,846. So this is 4, this is 6. Can it be possible? No. So it will ask for the borrow. It will borrow from the next one. So next one के पास है नहीं, तो ये इससे बगल वाले से कॉल, तो ये इसका कितना हो जाएगा 14, इसका कितना होगा 9, ये 3. Okay, 14 minus 6 is how much? 8. 9 minus 4 is 5. This is 3, so it will not will go, so it will be 13 and it will be 1. 13 minus 8, 5. 11 minus 4, 7. 13 minus 8, 5. Okay, we write the number 1,42,404, right? Now 4 minus 6 is not possible, so it will ask for the carry. It will carry from here, from the last one, so it will become 14. 14 minus 6 is possible, so it will be becoming 8. Now it has become 9. Can I do it once again so that it will be clear to you? 1,42,404, 84,846. So 400, this is 4, so it will become 14 here, it will become 9, it will become 3. कैरी किया ना, तो 14 में से 6 गया तो 8, 9 में से 4 गया 5. Now this is 3, 3 में से 8 नहीं जाएगा, it will become 13 here, it will become 1. 13 minus 8 is possible, so it is 5 here. 11, this is 1, so again it will take a carry and it will become 3. 11 minus 4 is how much? 7. So it is 3. 3 minus 8 is not possible. It will take a carry from here. It will become 13 and it will become 0. 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay. Now let's do question number F. What the question says? Question says how much should be added to 3,22,218 to get 5,16,102. If we have to get 5,16,102, how much we should be adding to 3,22,218? फॉर एग्जाम्पल अब हम उसको पहले छोटे फॉर्म में समझो। मेरे पास क्वेश्चन को अगर छोटे फॉर्म में समझो तो ये बोल रहा है कि हम 4 में कितना ऐड करें कि मुझे 10 मिलेगा। इसको छोटे फॉर्म में मैंने समझाया, यही क्वेश्चन है। ये बड़े फॉर्म में बड़े नंबर से आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग इन छोटे फॉर्म इन ए स्मॉल। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4 में मैं कितना ऐड करूं कि 10 आएगा, तो कितना आंसर होगा 6। क्या किया आपने 10 माइनस 6 किया ना, तब ना आपको 10 माइनस 4 किया ना, तब ना आपको 6 आया। 8 में मैं कितना ऐड करूं कि मुझे 12 आएगा, तो क्या करोगे आप 12 माइनस 8 करोगे तो कितना हुआ 12 माइनस 8 4। तो हम 12 अगर 8 में 4 ऐड कर देंगे तब हमको 12 आ जाएगा। सेम क्वेश्चन ये पूछ रहा है कि हम कितना ऐड करें 3,22,218 में कि मुझे 5,16,102 आया। तो हम क्या करेंगे 5,16,102 को माइनस करेंगे 3,22,000 को माइनस करेंगे किससे 5,16,108 से। ये मत लिखना, यू डोंट राइट दिस, ये तो मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया। यू जस्ट राइट दिस वन इन योर कॉपी, ओके। डोंट राइट दिस थिंग, ये मैंने एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए बोला, आपको समझाया, ठीक है। दिस इज फॉर एक्सप्लेन वन, यू जस्ट डू दिस वन, ठीक है। अब 2 में से 8 जाएगा नहीं, 12 में से 8 जाएगा। 12 माइनस 8 इज 4, this is 9, this is 0. 9 minus 1 is 8, this is 10, this is 5. 10 minus 2 is 8, 5 minus 2 is 3, this is 11 and this is 4. 11 minus 2 is how much? 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. So we should add 1,93,884. So statement should be like that. We should add 1,93,884 to किस में ऐड करना है 3,22,218 to get 5,16,102. Okay children, copy this one. Don't copy this thing, you copy from here, okay. And one thing remember, I am giving you the homework, so the homework should be done in your notebook as well as in your book, and it should be uploaded in the dashboard. Hope so you must have noted down. Next class we are doing 5B question number 3 and 4. Okay, thank you very much, have a nice day.